Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how electric cars are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Calm narration explaining how battery balance and safety systems are carefully engineered.
We have a spike in the voltage array.
Rerouting power. That should stabilize it.
Calm narration explaining how battery balance and safety systems are carefully engineered.
Each vehicle is carefully assembled and tested for performance, efficiency, and safety.
Every electric car is thoroughly inspected before leaving the factory.
And that's how electric cars are made. QD, we did, from start to finish.